So to wrap up, I've just got a couple of more slides, so I hope you'll hang tight with me here. But this is really important because how do you start to begin to formulate your strategy? And these are really the important, again, foundational things that you want to think about. You want to gather intelligence from your team and your guest. This intel is so important. What sensitive needs does your local geographic region have? And how can maybe you mimic even your energy and water and waste around those climate, patterns? Start with training. Your teams will get excited and they want to be part of this journey. They also need the tools to help you on the journey, reach your goals. Look at your utility bills, again, giving you insight into what to tackle first. Maybe you make those set points in your HVAC to mimic those climate, outliers that you see throughout the year. Based on the type of organization, geography, and budget will reveal what certification is best for you. How can the additions you make generate revenue and be inclusive and impactful at the same time? Two great examples: EV chargers and vegan menus. Both of those allows to bring in additional revenue and make sure that you're including all segments of the market. Using cost savings from the first implementations should be funneled back into the next phase of the project. And sustainability must sit in the same room as revenue, marketing, sales, operations, F&B. Everybody needs to be a part of this discussion. And last is get engaged with your destination. What we're seeing is destinations are creating sustainable initiatives and creating competitive sets. So you want to make sure that you are up to date on what they're doing and that this is a holistic effort. Doesn't matter how fast you go, it matters how well thought out it is.